Good morning. Welcome.
Good morning. Thank you.
Can I see passport?
Yes, here it is.
Where are you flying?
I am flying to London.
Do you have luggage?
Yes, one big bag.
Put it here, please.
Okay, here it is.
It is 20 kilos.
Is that okay?
Yes, that is fine.
Great. Thank you.
Window or aisle seat?
Window seat, please.
Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you so much.
Your gate is B12.
Where is gate B12?
Go straight, then left.
What time is boarding?
Boarding is at 10.
Thank you very much.
Have a great flight.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Boarding pass, please.
Yes, here it is.
Put bag on belt.
Okay, here it is.
Take out your laptop.
Oh, yes. Sorry.
Take off your belt.
Okay, here you go.
Walk through scanner, please.
Okay, going through now.
Stop one moment, please.
Is something wrong?
Empty your pockets, please.
Oh, sorry, I forgot.
Put items in tray.
Yes, done now.
Walk through again, please.
Okay, going through now.
That is all good.
Great, thank you.
Collect your things now.
Thank you very much.
Have a safe flight.
Excuse me, please.
Yes, how can I help?
I cannot find gate.
Which gate do you need?
I need gate B12.
Let me check, please.
Thank you so much.
Go straight this way.
How far is it?
About 5 minutes walk.
Then what do I do?
Turn left at sign B.
Left at sign B?
Yes, you will see it.
Is it easy to find?
Yes, very easy.
What time is boarding?
Boarding starts at 10.
How much time do I have?
You have 30 minutes.
Is there a cafe near?
Yes, just before gate.
Perfect. Thank you.
Do not be late.
I will hurry. Thanks.
Boarding pass, please.
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. One moment.
Of course. Take time.
Where are you sitting?
I am in seat 14A.
That is window seat.
Yes, I love windows.
Have you flown before?
Yes, many times.
Great. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you very much.
Go down the bridge.
Okay, I will go.
Turn left on plane.
Left on the plane?
Yes, seat 14A is left.
Thank you so much.
Need help with bag.
No, I am fine.
Sit down and relax.
Yes, I will. Thanks.
Flight leaves in 20.
Okay, I am ready.
Have wonderful flight.
Excuse me. I need help.
Yes. What is wrong?
I missed my flight.
Oh, when did it leave?
It left at 9.
Let me check now.
Please help me.
Do not worry, please.
Is there next flight?
Yes, at 2 o'clock.
Can I take it?
Yes, I will book.
Thank you so much.
Can I see passport?
Yes, here it is.
And your boarding pass?
Here it is too.
I found a seat.
Really, thank you.
New gate is C5.
Where is gate C5?
Go left from here.
Thank you very much.
Do not miss it.
I will not, thanks.